morning to all of you. Welcome to English class. Today we will study articles. Articles are of two types, indefinite articles and definite articles. So here we go. Let's get started. Definite articles. A and N are definite articles and the is definite article. Article A is used with consonant sounds. Article N is used with vowel sound. The is definite article. Article the is used with specific things, unique things or person. Let's go ahead. Let's study in detail. Use of article N. Article N is used with singular countable nouns beginning with a vowel. For example, an egg, an ice cream, an apple, an idiot. So students, we have studied 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. There are 26 letters of alphabets, 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. So vowel sounds. Except these 5 vowels, we have vowel sounds as well. When these words are in abbreviations, then we use article N. So article N is used with vowel sounds, abbreviations. For example, F, H, L, M, N, R, S, X. So these are words are giving sound of A, which is vowel sound. Look at the examples. An FIR, an LLB, an NRI, an X-ray, an MLA or an MA. First information report, non-resident of India, and X-ray machine and Masters of Arts. For example, my uncle is an SP. My uncle is an SP, not SP, pronunciation SP. I'll get my X-ray report. I'll get my X-ray report today. So X-ray, RDX, RDX. There are many ready-made sentences, RDS. NRI, non-resident of India. Then MLA, member of legislative assembly. Article N is also used where H is silent. For example, an honest man. We don't use the word sound H, honest. We say honest, not honest. Same it is honorable, not honorable. And the next is R. So now look at the exact pronunciation. An honest man, an honorable person, and an R. I'll meet you after an hour. Next example. Use of article A. Article A is used with singular countable noun beginning with a consonant sound. A school, a boy, a man, a dog, a child, etc. Other examples. When the vowel U sounds like BYOU. So now students, by is not a vowel. By is not a vowel means there are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So university. University. A university. So if we don't know the spelling, that spelling is UNIVERSIT by. So then sound you can see it is the sound of YOU. Your sound university. University. Utensil. Unique man. A unit test. In English it is U sound. and in Hindi it is Y sound. When the vowel O sounds like W, means V sound. So, a one-eyed man, a one-eyed man, a one-eyed man. If we look at the pronunciation, the sound is not starting from O. If it starts from O, it will be something else. So it is one, and we are knowing spelling is O-N-E, one. So next is use of article the. So article the is the definite article, and it is used before singular and plural, both countable, uncountable nouns. Then when noun is a specific or particular. So it is used with the specific, particular, unique nouns, things or person. So it is used with a, now see the rules, used with the name of rivers, seas, oceans, mountains, mountain ranges, etc. The Himalayas, the Ganges River, the Arabian Sea, the Persian Gulf, and etc. It is used before superlative degree. For example, the brightest, the shortest, the tallest, the youngest, etc. Next example, it is used before a noun mentioned second time. I saw a man in the street. So, we mentioned name man. Now see, if it is repeated second time, we will use article the. I saw a man in the street. The man was carrying a bag. This is same man whom I saw in the street. Now the man. This man we are talking about. We mentioned this man second time. And when we mention anything second time, maybe a park, maybe a person, then we use article the. The man was carrying a bag. It is used with the names of unique objects. Earth is unique, sun is unique, moon is unique, nature is unique. The earth, the sea, the sky. Then rule 5. Rule 4. With the directions, the east, the west, etc. Before the names of the newspaper or magazines, the Tribune, the Times of India, the Indian Express. With the names of religious books, the Gita, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. With historical buildings, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Qutub Minar, etc. With the historical events, the Battle of Panipat, the partition of India. When common noun is made proper, he is the Newton of the class, means he is as wise as the Newton was. So he is the Newton of the class. So next, omit article for places. I am traveling to Goa. No need to use article. Omit article with abstract nouns, abstract ideas. Friendship. Friendship is important. So no need to use article in such cases. We don't use any article when we talk about sports and games. For example, let's go and play football. Commonly when we are talking, no need to use. This is all. Okay, before the name of a language. We are learning a language. Means we are learning English. So no need to use any article before it. Before the names of countries. For example, Japan, Italy, France, except the UK, the USA, etc. This is all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good day.